Let me explain to you what chiropractors really do and what we look for. Chiropractors look at all joints in the body. It can be your knee joint, but it can also be your spinal joints. The main three reasons why someone will come and see me is back pain, neck pain, or headache. We've got our brain up here. We've got the rest of our body to the side. And the way that our brain talks to our body and our body talks to our brain is through the nerves that come out of the spinal cord. Now, our spinal cord is so important that the body's even decided to protect it. So we've got this suit of armor to protect our spinal cord. Now, if we damage or have improper biomechanics of any one of these segments, this is going to cause the brain to say danger. When the brain says that, it brings in swelling into the area and it causes an irritation of these nerves. If this nerve goes to your muscle, you're going to feel really tight, you're going to feel really stiff, and you're not going to be able to recruit your muscles as well as you should be. Now, if the part of the nerve goes to your skin and that's irritated, you're going to feel numbness, you're going to feel tingling. So, what I have to do is find exactly where there's bad biomechanics, put movement back into the joint. So we're going to correct the biomechanics of your spine or your joints. And what that's going to do, it's going to send signals back up to your brain saying it's safe again. The swelling and the irritation is going to go down and symptoms will likely also get better.